You asked, and we delivered. Get ready to enjoy the world's most advanced 3D anatomy atlas on Android. You'll have access to over 13,000 structures from your pocket with this award-winning platform. Build up your model with 12 incredible body systems or focus on a specific region for detailed study. Isolate structures, explore their textures, and discover relationships in context. Check out how your heart beats. See how the muscles move in real time. Explore our supplementary visual tools in skeletal parts, surfaces, and landmarks, as well as muscle origin and insertions and dermatome maps. Browse over 1,000 educational videos, take a course in undergraduate anatomy, or simply browse our extensive atlas of quality content to boost your understanding using 3D. Download Complete Anatomy for Android and start your own anatomy journey today.